Hi everyone, Christina here. Welcome to my January 2020 mail call video. The theme for January 2020 is Valentine's Day. So you're going to be seeing a bunch of Valentine's Day cards sent to me from viewers and subscribers and crafters just like you. I'm going to be showing you a few of the ones that stood out to me as I opened up all of the envelopes that came this month. I'm going to show a few that stood out to me, and then you will see every single card that was sent to me. And there were a lot. Here's a little preview. Like, there's a lot. So you're going to see a lot of Valentine's Day card inspiration in today's video. If you want more details about mail call and how you can participate in future months, I'll have a link down below. You can click over to my blog and all the details are over there. So let's jump into it. This first card that caught my eye is from Jessica in Indiana. And I love the texture on this alcohol ink background. I'm assuming it's alcohol ink. And then she used this dye and popped it up some of the sections on foam. So creative. I love how simple it is, and yet it's so striking, and it's just blank inside. Kind of perfect. Perfect for Valentine's or love in general. Next, I have a card from Pam Stone in South Carolina. This is a TP card, which is kind of cool. It pops out. Make sure I get this. And then it can stand up on its own. There are 3 sides, cute little bear that says hugs, her name, and then Happy Valentine's Day. And this is called a TP fold card if you want to look up some instructions online. Super cute. Next up, I have this amazing colorful card from Alex in Texas. And I love this background here. I'm pretty sure it was made with Nouveau shimmer powder. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. I love the dye put in and then emphasized with some white gel pen and this kind of like silver mirror cardstock, kind of iridescent a little bit. Just a really fun card. Love the hearts coming out. And this background, seriously, stellar. So that's Alex in Texas. Next, I have a card from Kelly in Florida. And I love this tone-on-tone effect. I'm going to zoom in a little bit because I've got a little room to zoom in here. All right. I love this tone-on-tone. I love craft. You guys know I love craft paper. So I love this. I love that it's red, stamped on craft. Just has a real retro vibe. I think it just looks really, really neat. Once again, this is Kelly in Florida. Okay, this card from Shalana, I think that's how you say her name, in Pennsylvania. And she created this card, and I'm pretty sure she used some like holiday greenery and then this bird, but then she has these cute little conversation hearts falling from the branch. I think it's so cute, kind of a really fun way to stretch your holiday supplies. So once again, this is Shalana in Pennsylvania. This next one is from Erin in Virginia, and I was really struck by the choice of colors that she used. I love this rose gold metallic finish on these elements, and she's paired it with some stamped flowers over here, and even the inside is decorated. I think it just looks so classy, looks gorgeous. So once again, that's Erin in Virginia. Holly in Kentucky created this card, and I thought it was so cute and simple, but look at this detail up here. She's put on these little drops that creates a texture. I think it's so cool. I love the 2 little bees. So, so cute. Adorable. Have a fun shaker card here. It's got even has an envelope that goes with it. So cute. This one is from Vicky in Saskatchewan, Canada. So kind of cool. Look at this fun little shaker card. So fun. I love the textured background. Inside is even done. So cute. All right, this one is from Tiffany. She's in Utah, and I love this. She said that she used a dot, let's see, she says it on the back. She used a dot circle stamp and then drew lines to make it look like an abacus and used colored pencils to make them look dimensional. Such a cute thing to do, especially for the greeting. So adorable. I thought it was creative, so creative. This really fun card, I've got to zoom out for this one because it's a big one. This cute Valentine's Day card is from, I think it's Aija from Finland. I'm so sorry. I know I'm not saying your name correctly. But look how cute this is. I love the scalloped edge. It's nice and big. You can write Nice love note. I love this origami on the front that makes this little container, little pocket. So creative. This one is from Dawn in Nebraska. I can zoom in again. This is a regular A2 size card. I love this. Look at the dimension on this. Looks amazing. It's even like the whole front of it is popped up on foam. I love this negative die cut with the glitter behind. Cute little glossy areas on the panda. I think it's just the attention to detail is really, really nice. So well done, Dawn. I really love it. This one is from Jenny in Ecuador, which I think she has sent in some cards in years past for mail calls. So it's nice to see a card from her again. Look how gorgeous this is. Love all that texture. And then this like metallic finish paper. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's gorgeous. What a fun card. All right, this card is from Colleen in Florida. And I love this one because she's got like the background stamp going across and this one on top. What's funny is that the card you're going to see at the end of this video that's introducing the theme for February has a similar concept, but I did not see her card before I made my card. I made my card a few days ago, but I was like, oh my gosh, I did almost the same thing with a similar kind of floral stamp. I think it's so fun. I like how she's created the border around the outside so it looks like this is going all the way across. It's just a really creative card. I really love it. All right, this card is from Carol in Maryland. And look at this fun die cutting and like inset die cutting. How fun is that? You can see the texture on that. I love the pale colors with the die cut over the top. I think it just turned out so well and it's so pretty and kind of just soft looking. I really love that. This next card is from Angie in Minnesota. How fun is this card? All this dimension. Just add a little bit of like blue ink blending over the top to accentuate the pattern. The little hearts coming out, coming off of the, hello, just knocked it out of my hand. The hearts coming off the polar bear, some cute coloring. I love you more than I can bear. And then inside it's Happy Valentine's Day. I just thought that was so cute. It's just a different Valentine's Day card because it's kind of winter themed at the same time. So fun. All right, I've got two cards from the same person. I just grabbed them. This is from Creative Kinship. I don't have a first name for them. I'm not entirely sure. Yep. But hello, look at this cute bird. Adorable. I'm not sure what die cut that is, but the artist has used some shading with maybe Copics or colored pencils. I'm not entirely sure. The glossiness on the bird's feet and also the beak. So cute. This is just a well thought out card. I love the little tiny hearts. And then this one right here has the heart wreaths going across and then the kind of a rainbow pattern. Such fun cards. All right, to finish off this little segment of the video, I have a couple of cards from a mother-daughter team. So first, I'm going to show you, let's see. First, I'm going to show you the card by the daughter. And this is by Emma, who is 12. Look at this fun shaker card. Such a fun Valentine's Day card. You make my heart smile. That's adorable. And I think it turned out so well. Your heart is safe with me. Such a good greeting. It's perfect. So Emma's mother created this card right here. Her name is Caitlin. They're both from Florida. And look how cute this is. With the watercoloring and this background, I love that kind of radiating out. Happy Valentine's Day. Looks like there's like some variation in color on that, which is kind of neat. So Caitlin and Emma from Florida. How fun are those? All right, so now I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to be taking some photos of all of the cards for January. Now there's quite a few, so just be prepared. I'm going to try to put the little form that's inside, have it kind of peeking out from behind each card so you can see the name of the person who created it. And here we go. Aren't all of those cards just phenomenal? You guys really knocked it out of the park for January. There were so many cards. I think I'll count them and give you a final count on screen or whatever, but there were so many. You guys were amazing. Thank you for sending those in and for participating in January. And the February cards are already coming in. The February theme is happy birthday, and this video is getting really lengthy, so I'm actually going to share my happy birthday card with the February theme tomorrow in a separate video. So watch for that. I know tomorrow's Saturday, but I'm going to share it anyway. Saturday's not my usual card video day, but let's face it, my schedule's kind of all over the place these days anyway. So watch for that video tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you would like to participate in Mail Call, you can check out the link down below. I'm anticipating seeing all of your birthday cards for February. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow for another card video.